In this quick tutorial, I will show you the simple trick to read WhatsApp message on scene. So before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about WhatsApp tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see the simple trick to read WhatsApp messages on scene. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure you click on these three dots. Then you have to navigate to settings right here. Click on settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on privacy. Then from privacy right here, read receipts. What you need to do here is to simply turn off this. Boom. By the time you turn it off, you can simply go back to WhatsApp and read a message now. So this message right here, I'm going to open it. Then you can see this message. I have read this message and the blue tick was not appear on the message on WhatsApp. So this is the simple trick to read message on scene on WhatsApp, a step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about WhatsApp tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.